Hi, this is Chris from the CPAP shop. Wanted to show you how quiet these two new travel CPAP machines are. So the ResMed AirMini and the Philips Respironics DreamStation Go, both travel size machines. I have both machines set on a pressure of 10. I'm going to turn both of them on one at a time so you can hear how quiet they are. First, this is the ResMed AirMini. This is where the filter portion is. Now I don't have a mask hooked up to either of the tubing, because that might change the pitch of the sound. So both machines on are a pressure of 10. I have the tubes connected. We'll turn this one on first. You hear the air coming out with a mask over it. I'll put this up close so you can hear. It's just a very dull, you barely can hear it, just a low white noise sound. So again, coming out of the machine. Just a real low whooshing sound. So I'll turn this one off. Okay, that one's off altogether. And now we'll do the Philips Respironics DreamStation Go. This has a screen so you can clearly see it's a pressure of 10. Air's coming through, so I'll hold that. So again, extremely quiet, a different pitch of volume, but still very, very low. You can hear it. But out of the machine itself, you can barely hear that. Again, it depends on what your ear can hear. The pitch of the sound is a little different on each machine. However, I don't think you'll be disappointed with how quiet both these machines operate. So again, it's the new ResMed AirMini on a pressure of 10 and the Philips Respironics DreamStation Go on a pressure of 10, both extremely quiet. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, 866-414-9700. You can visit us on our website, www.thecpapshop.com. Thank you.